Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve too many requests on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve too many requests on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window of Facebook. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you find the update in this display sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.